Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tires, rear performance, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, tires, front performance. Come see the car for yourself.